When I first met my wife, we went to the Philippines and we had a really fun time, and it was really hot. And she decided to cut her hair, and Milfred cut her hair like a little German boy, and she cried about it. And now she's doing it to herself.
Here's the last cut. So you might be wondering why I'm showing you this video from 14 years ago. Stick around and I'll tell you why. It's actually a lot more than that. But there you go. That is a lot of hair. I cut my own hair because I'm too cheap to go to a hairstylist. And so people are always asking me what I do. And as you can see now, oh my God, look at that. It looks like a broom. So let's take this down and see what it looks like. So it's not that short, actually. I ended up cutting a lot of layers, which is going to be fun because I actually won't be able to put my hair up any lower than this.
Did we not think about that?
I told Brett that it wasn't going to be that much shorter, and it's not. And I don't like it because it's too long still. So we're going to cut off that much more. Yeah?
But then you won't be able to reach the top ones for the ponytail. I have this horrid feeling that we're going to end up with no hair.
We're going to end up with me crying again. Those are thinning shears. It just covers up your uneven ends. It makes everything not even. This is my secret right there. These are the longer layers that I cut off. Now don't try this at home. I don't want to be blamed if your hair goes bad, like mine might. Not that I'm a hair cutting expert. It's not going to look like a professional did it, but it does the job for me. For the most part, that's it. Short hair.
I like it. It always looks good to me.
Did you get inspired? Well, thanks for watching that with me, guys. Looking back at old vlogs is some of the best times of my life. And this was some of the very beginnings of videos that we posted when we first started our journey here on YouTube back in 2011. As many of you've heard vloggers often say, they crave their privacy and normalcy after daily vlogging from YouTube for years of their lives. I went through a similar process, and one of my biggest regrets was deleting all the old vlogs we ever had on YouTube when I rebranded my YouTube channel. Little did I know that when we were creating those videos, they would be some of the most valued, treasured moments that I've ever recorded in my entire life. And I've been thinking about it for a long time because I feel like my channel and my personal brand has lacked a lot of the personality and authenticity that we used to have when we first created YouTube. So I want to bring these vlogs back, get you up to speed, edit it a little bit more entertainingly, and maybe even highlighting some of our personal thoughts of our growth and our journey, being able to look back and how it's brought us where we are here today. So thank you so much for all your love and support. If you've been here since those videos, or if you're brand new to the channel, we appreciate you so much. Be sure to stick around by subscribing so you can learn more about how to live optimally and how we live more optimally. And in the next video, I have a super big surprise for you. Can't wait. I'll see you then.